to video number 3 of the 2021 ukulele challenge. I just want to do a quick demo of the whole song and then I'll come back around and teach it. So here's a full playthrough of the song. Alright, so let's get started. We're going to work on line 1 first. Go ahead and give me an F chord position. I'm going to pick on both strings that are in the middle. And I'm going to leave the index finger where it's at because I need to come back there. So I'm going to just add 3 on E string and pick just that. Pick open A string. And then I'm back at that 1 that I said we were going to come back to. So I'm still just picking E string. So we've got that bar will sound like this. And the good news is that we repeat that. So the whole first line is doing that bit 2 times. So let's try to play that first line together. 1, 2, ready, go. 1. Go. Now let's go to line 2. We need all 4 strings playing, which means that you can do a strum, or you can put a finger on each string and just close the hand gently. Remember, we don't want that plucky sound. It sounds too not good. So we want to close the hand gently, and that'll give us a really nice sound. Sorry if you hear screaming in the background. My daughter is shrieking with joy at some toy or something. She's in the background like, ah, I could hear her. So that first beat is just all 4 strings. And then 1 on A string and 3 on A string. The second line is also based on repetition. So what we do there, we do it twice. Second line sounds like this. Let's play it together. 1, 2, ready, go. Ready, go. So for line 3, we're gonna have to do a little bit of a trick because we've just played 1 and 3. And I'm using that ring finger, but I don't want that there. So I'm gonna scoot the ring finger over. And now I'm ready for that 3, 5, 3, 1. I'm gonna do 3 with middle, 5 with pinky power. 3 again with the middle, and then 1 with the index. And then a really quick roll over to F chord. And then 1 on E string. So if there's a challenging part in this song, this is it. This is actually why it wasn't the first song. I originally had it as the first song and I thought, we need a few days before we get there. So this bar I would play as the C chord with the middle finger, add the pinky, then just the middle finger, index, and then a little roll over to F chord, and then just E string. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and again 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and. So let's do that line. Let's repeat it like 4 times because sometimes it just helps to just repeat something over and over and over again. So let's just do that line. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and again 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Go. 1 and Okay, 2 more times. You can do it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and okay, last time. Wiggle hand. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3. You got this. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and yeah! The nice thing is that the last line is the easiest line. So I'm going to hold an F chord position, even though I'm not going to be using the middle finger. So I'm just going to pick the 2 middle strings, then open C string, then E string. Ta, ta, ta. Do it again. Ta, ta, ta. One more time. Ta, ta, ta. Last time. Ta, ta, ta. Okay, put the ukulele down for a second. Stretch the hands, stretch the neck. If you're straining a lot looking at your instrument, try to look up a little bit. Okay, here we go. If there's a challenging part now, because we learned how to play line 3, it's going from line 2 to line 3. So let's play line 2 and line 3 together continuously, no stopping, okay? Here we go. So line 2 was like this. And again. Remember to scoot the ring finger over 1 and then strum with the middle finger. That's the little tricky part, okay? So but you can do it, you can do it. Here we go, line 2. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and scoot over. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and my daughter's screaming in the back. Sorry about that. Now, hopefully that kind of made sense. Let's do it one more time. Line 2 and 3. Line 2 and 3. You got this. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Scoot over. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now you have everything that you need to be able to play this whole song. Patreon fam, remember you're getting a play along video. If you would like to become part of the Patreon fam, I highly encourage you to do so because we have live Zoom lessons every week. We'll be starting those again up in October once this challenge is done. Now I do want to give you a word of advice. I would love for you to be very consistent with your tempo because it is so tempting on this song to start here. But by the time you get to line 3, that means that if you're playing at that tempo, your fast notes would dun, 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 dun. So only, this was a word of advice from my music teacher, Mark Rasmussen. He would say to play the piece, the entire piece, as fast as you can do the most difficult part. So the difficult part for us being line 3, whatever is the tempo that you can do line 3 at correctly, that's your tempo for the whole song. The whole song should be consistent. It should be, you're playing fast, 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 and then you slow down for the bumpy part. No. It should be very consistent. And this is going to help you increase the speed of the whole song to play it to something that you like. Once you finish learning this song, please post it. Remember to use the hashtag 2021 Uke Challenge. We have other hashtags as well. So if you have an Instagram account that you made to track your ukulele progress, make sure and tag me so that I can see. I've been loving seeing your posts so far. And we also have a private Facebook group, so you do have to request to join, but of course you can come in. It's just so that we feel safer in that community, and it's not like all of these strangers and weirdos that get to see us playing. Do you know what I'm saying? I mean, I guess we're technically strangers because we don't know each other, but we know each other. So that Facebook group is called Ukelandia. Please join us there. Throughout this video, I've been playing the black ENYA Nova. This is an incredibly affordable ukulele. I'm mentioning this because people always ask for ukulele recommendations, and so the Nova is one that I would highly recommend because it's a carbon fiber composite ukulele that is waterproof. You can wipe it clean. It's travel friendly. I actually threw this in the ocean and it survived, which is pretty exciting. So I'm gonna link this down below. And the other video I was playing the Nova U Pro, which is the different version, and it is longer, so I'll have that linked as well. If you're excited about this challenge, check out our merch store where we have 30-day ukulele challenge attire. I also had the members of the Facebook group Ukelandia send me pictures of their ukuleles, and a designer drew them all out, and we put it on shirts and notebooks, journals, everything. So that's all on our Etsy store, so go ahead and visit our store and check it out. Alrighty fam, I cannot wait to see you for the next video, so practice for the next 3 days, and I'll see you at a higher level song on the next one. Ciao!